Hey guys, today I'm introducing the Sous Vide Circulator range, the smart and reliable way to cook restaurant quality meals at home. So we have two different Sous Vide circulators. We have the SV85, which is more your home use Sous Vide circulator. It can circulate up to 30 litres. And we have the SV130, which can circulate up to 80 litres. And this is more for your smaller restaurants and for domestic use also. Okay, so now let's start with the main components.
The main components are the touch control panel, the body, the indicator lights, and the fixing hand for container mount. The indicator light shows your cooking status, red is for heating, and green is when the desired temperature is reached and the timer begins. Tap to switch between temperature and time, then use the plus and minus buttons to adjust. Press the start or stop button to begin or pause cooking. To change between Celsius and Fahrenheit, press the plus minus buttons together. To set your cooking temperature, press the setting button once. The temperature digits will flash. Adjust using the plus or minus keys. Press again to set cooking time. Once everything's ready, press the start button and then display will show the current temperature and time alternatively.
To control your Sous Vide circulators remotely, you can download the Sous Vide Cooker app on the App Store or Google Play to remote control your Sous Vide circulators. It also gives you recipes and tips on how to cook certain meats and certain vegetables.
Open the app, register or log in and add your device. Choose your home Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Hold the start and setting buttons together until the Wi-Fi indicator flashes quickly. Once connected, the Wi-Fi light will stay on steadily. Before cooking, vacuum seal your food to lock in the freshness and flavor. Attach the SV85 securely to your pot or container and fill water in between the min or max level. Once the water reaches your target temperature, add your sealed food and press start. When the timer finishes, the cooker will beep and stop automatically. One quick tip here guys, if you see the H2O error code, means that the water is not in between the minimum and the maximum levels. After you're finished using the Sous Vide circulator, drain the water, dry the unit completely and store it upright in a cool, dry place. Keep it out of reach of children and never operate it horizontally or upside down.
If you're a bad cook like me, you'd want a Sous Vide circulator so you can impress your family, friends, and most importantly, your girlfriend with restaurant quality meals.